Well, hello. Wham! Did I get your attention? Good. Hopefully you're a real estate agent. If you're not, keep on scrolling. If you are, I want to ask you one simple question. And that is, are you a hobbyist real estate agent or are you a career-oriented real estate agent? What's the difference, you ask? Pretty simple. Hobbyist real estate agents tend to rely solely or primarily on referrals for their business. Now, referrals are great because they do convert at a very high rate. However, they're not very scalable. You don't have control over how many referrals people are going to send you. And so that's the biggest difference. Career-oriented real estate agents understand that they need to find a way to systemically find new clients and convert them. And so, as the founder of GeForce Marketing, we've helped over 400 businesses with their digital marketing and lead generation practices, and we want to share that knowledge with you. So we created a course called Real Estate Lead Gen Mastery. And in this course, we teach you everything that you need to know about how to craft an offer, how to build a landing page, how to set up all of your automation for following up with those leads and bubbling up the most interested ones, how to set up your ads, how to set up targeting, how to set up retargeting ads. It's a 20 module course with a ton of content so that you have all the tools that you need to be able to generate leads at a fraction of the cost of Zillow. Not to mention they're exclusive leads. They're not going to any other real estate agent. And so we are currently offering this course for free for a very limited time because we're actually gathering feedback from real estate agents. So now or never is the time to get this course. So there's a link down in the description. Go click on it, go get your login, start taking the course. And I want to hear directly from you what you think about the course, how you're growing as a real estate agent, and you'll get some direct contact with me. So we're happy to help you out in any way that we can. So I wish you the best in your real estate agent journey. And yeah, click that link, get access to that course. Take care.